Friends, today we are going to discuss how fresh grapefruit juice begins with a single fruit, grown by nature, perfected by technology.
Welcome to the grapefruit processing plant. Be sure to subscribe for more factory tours.
Phase 1. Arrival of fresh grapefruit. The journey starts here. Freshly harvested grapefruits arrive daily from local orchards, picked at peak ripeness to ensure maximum flavor and natural sweetness. Each fruit is carefully inspected to meet strict quality standards before entering the production line. Phase 2. Washing and cleaning. Before juicing begins, the grapefruits are thoroughly washed. Advanced cleaning systems remove dirt, dust, and surface impurities, using clean water and food-safe technology. This step ensures every drop of juice is as fresh and pure as possible. Phase 3. Sorting and grading. Next, the fruit is sorted by size, color, and quality. Modern sensors and skilled technicians work together to select only the best grapefruits for juicing. Any fruit that doesn't meet the standard is removed, ensuring consistency in taste and color. Phase 4. Cutting and juicing. Now comes the heart of the process. Each grapefruit is precisely cut and gently pressed to extract the juice, preserving its natural color, aroma, and nutrients. The result is a beautiful pink citrus juice bursting with freshness. Phase 5. Filtering and quality control. The juice is then filtered to remove excess pulp while maintaining its natural texture. Quality control teams test every batch for flavor, safety, and freshness. Only juice that passes every test moves forward. Phase 6. Bottling and packaging. In a sterile, temperature-controlled environment, the juice is bottled and sealed. Each bottle locks in freshness, ready to be enjoyed. Modern packaging ensures the juice stays fresh from the plant to your table. Note: from orchard to bottle. This is how fresh grapefruit becomes refreshing pink citrus juice. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.
That's it for our look at the grapefruit processing plant. If you want to see more factory tours like this, be sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.